Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another medical data entry non-phone work from home job lead. Now that the holidays are over, we are starting to see the work from home jobs pick back up. So hopefully this is the year that you find your dream remote job. Just remember, the links if you want to put those applications in are in the YouTube description box below. And sharing is always caring, so if you find any of these job leads helpful, please like this video and share with your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company ExamWorks. Now, ExamWorks is hiring a data entry associate. This is remote within the United States. They are looking for a medical billing savvy professional who's keen on picking up important details and working in a fast-paced environment. Now, this is 100% remote, but they are looking for someone who can be available to work 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday. No weekends are needed. They are going to provide the office equipment for you, including like a headset, phone, screen, keyboard, mouse, a virtual desktop, all of those things. So you don't need anything to get started other than the skills. You just need to make sure you convert your time zone to those hours to see if that will work for you. But if it will, they're looking for someone to gather, organize, and prepare source documents for data entry into the appropriate system database. You'll review data for discrepancies, missing pages of information, and resolve any discrepancies by using their standard procedures. You'll enter both alphabetic and numeric data from the source documents into their system database, and then you'll review the data you entered against the original document to make sure that it is accurate and correct any data entry errors or duplications. And you may have to perform other various clerical duties such as sorting, filing, emailing, or proofreading as needed. Now, they don't require any college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. It does say they want somebody who's a minimum of 6 years related experience. It doesn't say what that related experience is, so I'm assuming some kind of a data entry office clerical type experience. They want someone who has a general knowledge of how to use office equipment, general knowledge of how to use Outlook, Microsoft Office, all the Microsoft suites, someone who has an understanding of HIPAA guidelines. You need to be able to type at least 40 words per minute. Someone who can work independently while maintaining confidentiality on the information that you see, and someone who can work well under pressure. They do offer a complete benefit package, including medical, dental, vision, paid time off, and 401k. And while this position did not list the salary, that will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. I did do a little research on Glassdoor. I'll leave this page in the YouTube description box below also. And it looks like data entry for ExamWorks pays around $37,000 a year. So if you are working every week, 52 weeks in a year and 40 hours a week, that breaks down to about $17.78 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I'm trying to do something a little bit different this year with the channel. I'm trying to bring you even more work from home job leads. So if you have any suggestions of how I can make these videos better, please leave that in the comments below. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.